if you look currently, we are around 1800 GCCs, which will grow to more than 2500 in next couple of years. And India hosts almost 50% of the world's GCCs in this country. Even if you look at the kind of AI talent, India boasts of 32 to 35% of that AI talent in this country. So clearly India is the AI command center of the world, which breeds in innovation and can bring that innovation to scale. So from a Deloitte standpoint, we cater to services across. So and if you know, we are a global firm, and even in terms of GCCs, 1 out of every 3 Fortune 500 company has a GCC in India. So whether it is setting up the GCC, because today it is not only about tier 1 cities, it's about tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, where our government is creating GCC hubs, data center hubs to enable the operations, setting up centers, GCC centers, which can create valuable operations. In addition, we are also into running those GCCs because we come with capabilities across multiple skill sets, be it GBS advisory, be it data engineering, be it AI, Gen AI, agentic into business operations. We run those centers, and then of course we bring in an ability of transformation as well as these centers gain traction. Currently, we are employing almost 2 million of our workforce of Indians as part of GCCs, and that will move on to around 4.5 million by 2030. That means there would be a strong demand of having the right AI talent as we create AI first enterprises. So we are taking multiple steps. One, our CEO is driving certain discussions with the CII and with the GCC consortiums, industry consortiums, to see if we can bring in a policy which enables STEM to be adopted by colleges, by educational institutions right at the start. That means we would have a workforce which brings with some level of technical experience as they move into these roles. Second, as part of the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 network, can we bring in some kind of institutions which focus on vocational skills? Because today the skills which are required are very diverse, from advisory, from leadership, development, to creating AI solutions which might require data engineers, data analysts, UI UX experts, product managers, designers. It's a plethora of skills which come together as a pod to make a solution happen.